So are you also running cooking class business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow, and in this video we are going to understand how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your cooking class business. So over here I am also running cooking classes and we regularly receive the customer queries or our lead queries on WhatsApp, and this is such a time consuming task to reply to all of those same questions again and again. So to solve this problem, I've simply created a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. So now what is going to happen is that as soon as I create a WhatsApp chatbot, whenever my user is going to send me a message, automatic reply would be sent towards my user, that too without any manual efforts. So if you also want to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video I'll walk you through how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your cooking class business using Pabbly Chatflow. So this chatbot will help you answer common queries automatically, like the class timings, cuisines offered, pricing, available slots, the chef details. It works 24/7, keeping your potential students informed and engaged while you are busy in the kitchen. This smart automation not only saves time but also help you boost your sign-ups and customer satisfaction. So let's get started and create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your cooking class too. But before creating a chatbot, as you can see that I've already created one, so I'm just going to show you the working of this chatbot. So let's say that someone is going to message me hey right over here. So I'm just going to type hey and then we are going to send this hey. So as you can see, within seconds the chatbot is going to reply. It is saying welcome to the kitchen craft. Please tell us your full name. Alright, so let's say that I'm just going to tell them my full name. So as you can see that this is my full name, so I'm just going to send them my full name right over here. And after sending my full name, they are sending me this message. What would you like to explore today? So they have given me the options right over here. Let's say I want to view the courses, so I'm just going to go towards this view courses and they're going to show me the PDF of the course. If I want to view the baking classes, I can select the same option and they're going to reply accordingly. If I want to book a class, I can simply click on this book a class button and they're going to give me the website to book the class. Not only this, if I want to contact the chef, I can simply click on this contact us and over here it has given me the details for the same too. So yes, over here you can see the chatbot is replying me within seconds without any manual efforts. So yes, this is an awesome chatbot to boost your sales too, because simply the lead can go towards this book a class and book a class without any manual intervention. So yes, you can also create this amazing chatbot for your own cooking classes, and in order to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, you have to stick to this video till the end. So to create this amazing chatbot, we have to open a new tab and we have to open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow account. And in order to open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow account, we simply have to search for pabbly.com/chatflow in our browser. So I'm just going to search for pabbly.com/chatflow in my browser and it is going to open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. And now after opening the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow account, over here you're going to get two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So over here, if you are a new user, you can click on this sign up for free and you are going to get a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow account. But over here I am an existing user, so I'm simply going to click on this sign in, and as soon as we are going to click on this sign in, it is opening all Pabbly apps, and over here you can see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow because I want to automate WhatsApp conversations effortlessly. So I'm simply going to click on this access now right over here to access my Pabbly Chatflow account, and as soon as we are going to click on this access now, it is opening the dashboard of my Pabbly Chatflow account. And in order to start with creating a WhatsApp chatbot, we first have to add a WhatsApp number in our Pabbly Chatflow account. And in order to add a WhatsApp number, we are simply going to go towards this blue button which says add WhatsApp number. Now we have to enter the meta access token, the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID in order to add a WhatsApp number. All right, and you must be wondering from where you're going to get all of these three. So to get all of these three, you first have to create a WhatsApp Cloud API setup. And if you want to learn how to add a WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow using WhatsApp Cloud API account, or how to create a WhatsApp Cloud API account and connect with Pabbly Chatflow, you simply have to refer to this video which we have attached right over here. You can see this video and you're going to get a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a WhatsApp Cloud API account and add the WhatsApp number in Pabbly Chatflow account. I have already added my WhatsApp number right over here, as you can see the same. Alright, so now after adding my WhatsApp number, we have to build a chatbot. But before building a chatbot, over here you can see in the left side of the bar, we have all the features of Pabbly Chatflow. This is dashboard, which I have already opened. We have an inbox feature too, where you can manage the WhatsApp conversations. We have contacts feature, where you can create or manage your contacts. We have team queue section, where you can assign chats to your teams. We have template section, where you can create templates. We have broadcast section. We have flow section, with the help of which we are going to create the chatbot, and we have settings and then get help. So in order to create a chatbot, we have to go towards this flows section and then towards this flows. All right, and after coming towards this flow builder, we have to create a chatbot. For that, we have to click on this blue button which says add flow, and as soon as we're going to click on this add flow, it is opening a window something like this to start the flow. And over here to start the flow, we have three options. One is keywords, the another one is regex, and the third is choose template. All right, so if you want to start the flow with the help of template, you can simply go towards this choose template button and select one template, with the help of which you can start the flow. Whenever a user is going to reply to the particular template, the flow will start. The another one is regex. So regex is regular expressions over here. You can use regex to create a more smarter chatbot which is going to match the substring trigger. All right, and over here the third is keywords. Over here to start my chatbot, today I'm just going to use keywords. So I'm just going to enter some most commonly used keywords, which is hey, hello and hi. All right, so to enter the keywords, we first have to type the keyword and then press enter to add the keyword. It is a really important step to type the keyword and then press enter, otherwise the keyword will not be added. So over here I'm just going to add some most commonly used keywords and then some keywords which are relevant for my cooking classes. So I'm just going to enter some keywords like hey, hi, hello, cooking, class and classes. Now you can see that I've successfully entered the keywords, and with this we have successfully completed this flow start. Now we are going to move on further. What I want is that whenever my user message me any of this keyword, I want to ask them for their full name. And to ask them for their full name, we simply have to go towards this actions and drag and drop this ask question button. And we simply have to connect this ask question with this flow start. And now it is asking me for the message I want to enter in order to ask my user for their full name. So I'm just going to enter the message right over here. So as you can see that this is the message which I want to enter to ask my user for their full name. And now I'm just going to select the contact custom field right over here. So you must be wondering, what is this contact custom field? So you can go towards the left side of the bar towards this settings section and then towards this contact custom fields to create multiple contact custom fields for your Pabbly Chatflow account. And if you want to learn how to create one, and if you want to learn more about this contact custom fields, you can check out the video given in the description box below to learn more. I have already created multiple contact custom fields, so I'm going to select the one which is full name. And now for the format of the reply, I'm simply going to select it as text right over here, because the full name is always in text format. Now it is asking me for the number of attempt. So over here I'm just going to keep the number of attempt as 1 only. And now it is asking me to enter the validation message. So if you wish, you can definitely enter a validation message right over here. When it will work is that, let's say you ask the user for their full name and they reply with a number, but the format of reply you have selected is text. So they will receive a validation message that they only and only have to reply in text format. And for that you have to give the number of attempts also as 2. But over here you can see the validation message is not a required field. I'm just going to leave it as blank and keep the number of attempt as 1 only. Now we are going to move on further towards the next message. Now what I want is, I want to give them the options to choose today. Alright, for that I'm simply going to create a connection with the help of this ask question, drag and drop it right over here and select the content type as text plus button. And now we are simply going to enter the message. And yes, over here you can see that this is the message which I'm just going to enter. And after entering this message, I'm simply going to add 3 buttons right over here so that I can add the buttons of some most commonly asked questions. Alright, so to do this, I'm just going to enter the text one by one. First would be view courses, the another one would be baking classes, and the third one is class timings. And after adding the buttons for all of these, we are going to move on further. I'm just going to set a message for all of these 3 options. First, we are going to start with view courses. So I'm simply going to drag and drop the connection and select the content type as media right over here. And as you can see that now I'm simply going to enter the file of the view courses over here. For that, I'm just going to click on this drag and drop or browse file button given right over here. We're just going to go towards this file, and I want to upload this cooking PDF. So I'm simply going to upload it right over here. And now as soon as we are going to upload it, we don't have to select the media type or enter the media URL. Automatically Pabbly is going to do this. We are going to move on further. We only have to add the caption right over here. So I'm simply going to add the caption. And yes, over here you can see that I've successfully added the caption. Now we are going to move on further. I'm just going to add 2 buttons right over here, which is to book a class and to contact us. So the first I'm just going to add book a class, and the next would be contact us. And after adding both of these buttons, with this we have successfully set it up message for view courses. Now we are going to move on further and set up message for baking classes. I'm just going to simply drag and drop the connection and select the content type as text plus button. And now I'm just going to enter the message right over here. So yes, you can see that I've successfully entered the message. Now once again, I'm just going to add 2 buttons. One would be book a class and the another one would be contact us. So I'm simply going to enter both of these buttons right over here. Now we're going to move on further towards the third message, which is class timings. Simply I'm just going to drag and drop the connection, select the content type as text plus button, and enter the message right over here. And as you can see that I've successfully entered the message. Now I'm just going to add 2 buttons, select the text as book a class, and the another one would be contact us. So I'm just going to add the same right over here. Now after setting up messages for all of these 3 buttons, we are going to move on further. And now we're going to move on further and enter the message for book a class and contact us too. So I'm simply going to drag and drop the connection, select the content type as text plus button, and enter the message for book a class. And yes, over here you can see that I've successfully entered the message for book a class. And once again, I'm just going to add a button in book a class too, which is contact us. So I'm simply going to add that button right over here. And now as you can see that I've successfully set the message for book a class, and I'm just going to connect this same message with multiple buttons everywhere I have a book a class. So as you can see that I've successfully connected this book a class message with all the buttons. So you can also connect a single message with multiple buttons. You don't have to create multiple messages for the same kind of button like book a class and contact us. So now I'm just going to set up the message for contact us. I'm simply going to drag and drop the connection, select the content type as text plus button, and enter the message for contact us. So yes, you can see that I've successfully entered the message for contact us, and I'm just simply going to connect this message right over here with all the contact us button like this. And yes, you can see that I've successfully connected this contact us message with all the contact us buttons. And with this, we have successfully completed this flow too. And now what is going to happen is whenever my user is going to send me any of these keywords, first my WhatsApp chatbot is going to ask them for their full name. And then further, they are going to give them the options and they can select the options. And then further, the chatbot is going to reply according to the options which they select. All right. So yes, with this, we have successfully completed this chatbot. And now we are going to test this chatbot in real time. And in order to test this chatbot in real time, we first have to save this chatbot, right? For that, we have to name this chatbot. So I'm simply going to name this chatbot as cooking class. So I'm just going to enter cooking class right over here as the name of my chatbot. And after naming this chatbot, we are simply going to click on this button which says save. And yes, with this, we have successfully saved this chatbot. So now I'm just going to test this chatbot in real time. And in order to test this chatbot in real time, you have to keep in mind that this button should always be switched on. Otherwise, the chatbot will not run in real time. So as you can see, the button is switched on right over here. Now we are going to move on further and test this chatbot. For that, I'm just going to open my WhatsApp. We are first going to clear the previous chat so that we can start fresh. Alright, now I'm just going to start this chatbot. For that, I'm just going to enter a keyword which is cooking right over here. And I'm just going to send them this keyword. And it is saying, welcome to the kitchen craft. We are excited to help you discover the joy of cooking. Please tell us your full name. So I'm just going to enter my full name right over here, which is test user. And as you can see that I've successfully shared my full name. And now it is asking me to select a button from below. So over here I'm just going to test all of these 3 buttons one by one. First I'm just going to test this view courses, and yes, over here you can see that we have received the reply for the same. The next we are going to test is baking classes, and yes, over here you can see that we have received the reply for the same. And now I'm just going to test the third button, and yes, you can see that we have received the reply for the same. Now I'm just going to test this book a class button, and yes, you can see that it is also running perfectly fine. The last button to test is contact us, and yes, over here you can see the contact us button is also running perfectly fine. So yes, with this we have successfully completed this chatbot, and it is running perfectly fine in real time. Over here you can see that I have had a proper conversation with this WhatsApp chatbot, and it replied within seconds without any manual intervention. So yes, with this we have successfully completed this chatbot. But not only sending and receiving of messages, but this chatbot offers one more very useful feature. And to show you that feature, I'm just going to open the inbox of this Pabbly Chatflow account. So as you can see that this is the inbox of my Pabbly Chatflow account, and over here you can check the proper conversation which happened between the bot and the user. Also you can check the status of the message. You can see that when the message was sent, delivered and read by the user. Not only this, you can see that my user shared their full name, which is test user. So this test user has been added in this contact custom fields in this full name section, which is test user. That too without any manual efforts. So not only sending and receiving of messages, but you can also collect the user information with the help of this amazing WhatsApp chatbot and convert your leads into your paying clients. And with this we have successfully completed this flow and this video too. And now if you have any questions related to the flow or the video, you can directly comment on this video. Till then, go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own cooking classes, because right now we are offering free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. So see you in the next video with many more automation tips. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only this, but with the help of same logic, you can create multiple chatbots which are tailored to your business needs. So now if you want to contact us, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this website. So now go and create this WhatsApp chatbot for your business and try Pabbly Chatflow for free.